Not bad, right? So, as you should have seen in this video here, I visited 30 charity / thrift shops / cash converters. Visited them all within one day between the school run times, and I picked up this lot plus 2 others, very special items. At the end, I'll do them on their own. It was obviously the first day since the 2nd or 3rd lockdown. They were shut since mid-December, opened yesterday, which was the 12th of April. And yeah, I hit them hard and it's definitely paid off. Some shops I didn't pick anything up in. There's quite a few in a row I'd pick up nothing, but what I did pick up was very, very good. So let's get straight into what I did pick up, what it was I spent on it, and what I'm hopefully going to list it for on eBay, Depop, Amazon, Facebook, places like that. We've got a really vast range of items here. Obviously we've got a pile of clothing here, we've got the board games, footwear, electronics, bigger electronics, designer, and a big electronic as well. But again, saving that for the end. I have their own table for that. So no particular order, like I've said, but I know that this was the first of the day. My local RSPCA, £3. Got a nice tweed jacket here, genuine Donegal tweed. Name I haven't seen too often. Normally it's Harris tweed, as we all know. Good condition, doesn't smell musty or smoky or anything. Good size, and paid £3. And this should be turning into, hopefully, when I was looking it up, around £40. So a very strong start to the day. Got a nice San Francisco NFL, like sort of college button-up jumper type thing. Paid £5, size medium. This is from a Fairly Hospice. Again, really clean. Yeah, should be hopefully £25–30 here. Perfect for Depop as well, so hopefully it'll sell on there, so less fees and things. Yeah, again, another strong start to the day. Sticking with sport, this is from a Bernardo's. Got a couple of sport shirts from here actually. I'm in Essex here and we're close to London, and West Ham is the sort of the closest Premiership team. Nice West Ham training kit, sort of polo shirt. I think this is a newer one. I'm not sure on the year that this was released. Obviously, do a bit of research on that. I've paid here £4. This should easily be at least 20. Not amazing, not blow away, but just a nice standard thing that will sell very quickly and easy to post out. Now this was the strong one. This is an amazing find. Bosh. This is Everton, which is miles away from here, so really random to find this in the shop. This is actually a replica of their 1995 season, brand new with tags. So it's not the actual 95 brand new with tags shirt, because that would be absolutely unbelievable. Official, it's not like bootleg or anything, made by Umbro, still got the tags on here. Brand new with the tag. I know it's modern, it's got like a QR barcode. Yeah, just a replica. Still really cool to get. I paid £10 for this, obviously brand new with the tags. I could list this on eBay, probably ask maybe 35–40. There is a website I've sold twice to now called Classic Football Shirts. I send them off pictures, they name a price, and then if I agree to it, send it off, I get my money. So I'll see what they offer with this. That might be a quick flip from £10 with no fees as well. Next up, we've got a nice bit of cashmere, or cashmere blend anyway. I think it's like 90% cashmere, 90% merino wool, 10% cashmere. So it's only a small bit, but you can still, because it's got cashmere blend. Nice and soft. This is Barber as well. So we've got some cashmere in there, good name, Barber. Size large. Again, nice and clean and everything. Sort of nice tartan design on the elbows. Took a chance at £9, so paying up a little bit for just like a sweater. But again, briefly looked it up. Should hopefully be with the cashmere in it, hopefully £30-ish. 28, 30, pushing 35 maybe. Yeah, feels really nice and soft. So yeah, paid up a little bit, took a bit of a chance because it's a bit plain and that, but I went with the material it's made from and the name. Yeah, stay tuned, see what this does sell for. Last for clothing, apart from the one at the end, got this super dry coat. £8.99 I've paid. Where's this from? This is from Age UK. Only got this, well I knew what it was and how much it's worth, because Lee, Cola Flipper, the bundle I bought from him, it had one of these coats in black, and it sold quick, straight away, for about 35. So again, exact same coat, just in a different colour. Super Dry Professional, the Wind Cheetah, £8.99, size small. So ideally I'd want it a bit bigger, but from £8.99 I've sold one before for 30, 35, so no brainer there. And it's still chilly in the air, so hopefully it sells quick. If not, it might be lingering. That's the only downside. There's a couple more bits of clothing, but for me to keep. Vans t-shirt, £3, obviously not to sell. This is for me to keep. Thank you very much. And some Adidas joggers, just for me again. Mine are getting a bit big now, losing the old weight. £3.99, again, another keeper. Moving on to board games. What have we got here? Got 4 here. I'm a lot more selective now. I'm not doing Amazon as much. Probably all 4 of these will actually go to Amazon. But if I was still doing it in a big way, I could have picked up a few more maybe for lower margins. Yeah, these always sell well. I've got Monopoly. This was £2 or £3. Got Risk at the same time. This was in the second charity shop, Fairley Hospice. Saw them straight away as soon as I went in the door. And got them straight away. Yeah, they don't linger around long. On eBay, I'm not sure what they fetch on eBay, maybe 15-ish, but these 2 on Amazon, FBA, send them in during the year without Christmas. These normally get about 25, these Monopolies, 20, 25. Same with this Risk, maybe a bit more, 25, 30. But Q4, Christmas time, I'm asking more. Probably for this one, 40, 45 I've got up for this one. I think that's the highest I've ever got for a used one. Not even brand new or anything, just the bog standard Risk, like in this edition. Yeah, 40, 45 pound at Christmas time when they sell out and people want their old vintage games to play again with the family. Hopefully we can do that again this year. So this one, probably bump it up to 30, 35 at Christmas. Another standard FBA game, original Cluedo. I think this is more of a 90s one, 1996. Again, to Amazon, 25-ish pound, 20, 25. £3 I paid, so 3 to 20, minus fees, bread and butter. Get them bills paid for the month, and all in the same box as the rest. Same with this one. If it doesn't go to Amazon, then obviously I can sell it on eBay. John Adams Hot Wires. Sold these before, loads of times. There's quite a few bits to check. Here we go. Well, I'm trusting they've checked it already. It's just like an electronic toy thing. You can make radios and propellers and things. Never actually played with it or seen it working myself. I just sell them. I paid £3 again for this one. Again, if I'm to sell it on eBay, I might get 20-ish pounds. Amazon, probably more 25, 28, maybe 30, depending on competition. But after you take fees away at Amazon, it's probably worth just sticking on eBay. But because I've got a few now to send up, I'll probably send it to Amazon in the same box while I'm doing that. 5 shoes, nice and standard. Nike Air Force One, always picking these up. Really nice design, like a textured design, not just leather. And the bottom's there with black detailing. Paid £5 for these, standard stuff. Smaller size 5, so women's size or small youth. Really clean, really nice. Yeah, easily at least £30 I reckon. Like unique design. If these were plain white in size 5, maybe 25-ish pounds, but because it's more unique, really good condition, hopefully 30, 35 from a £5. Job's a good one. Next up, some more sort of basic trainers. Fila or filler, I say filler. Just black trainers. These are a size 6, so again, women's or small youth. Good condition. I have paid the sum of £4. These should be 20, 25 again, especially in a really good condition. List them on Depop as well. Should sell quick. A couple of pair of Timberlands now. This was in, what was this one? When I went to Chelmsford Town, this was the first one I went in, I think. This was Age UK. Got quite a few bits in there. Obviously they had a nice restock over the weekend and maybe the week before, getting fresh stock out. That's why I wanted to go as early as I can and hit as many as I can, because I knew stuff like this might be there. 2 of them, one after the other on the shelf. Nice pair of Timberlands. These are like a brown leather. Bit of wear on the toes, which is to be expected. And some black ones as well, black leather. Really nice. Not as much wear as the brown ones. I'm guessing they're the same donor, even though they're not the same size. Size 6.5 in the black and size 7. So I'm picking up smaller shoes. They still sell though. Quality name, feel really nice. The brown ones were £12.99 and black ones were £14.99. It's a slight difference. These should be 35, 40 all day long, nice and easy, even in a small women's size. Timberland boots always sell well and they always sell fast. And then we got the standout boots. Again, saw these on the shelf and they stood out to me. Nice colour in them and they looked quality, looked really well made. Nice burgundy, sort of oxblood colour with black and yellow stitching. And even better, brand new and unused. You can tell from the wear, well, there is no wear, that's how I can tell. Shiny new, box fresh. Not heard of this brand before, but looking on the inside, specially made for famous army stores. Made in the Czech Republic, which is unusual, and they're called Grip Fast. Yeah, I could see they were quality, and as soon as I felt them, I could feel their quality. Nice and strong, nice and sturdy, and especially if they're made for army stores, so sort of army issue type thing. Not sure of the colour though, if they were actually for the army. So yeah, Grip Fast, one I haven't heard of before, but looking up eBay prices, from my £10 that I paid for these should be listed for 3 figures. There's some Grip Fast boots that people are asking over £100 on, and people are getting it as well. Can't find these exact design or anything. Not sure on the sizing either. I have to do a bit of research on that. It's not printed anywhere that I can see. But yeah, brand new quality stuff. Seem unusual as well. Yeah, hopefully a £100 sale here from £10, bargain. Electronics. So like I said, I was counting charity shops, but I had to count cash converters in the end. I'm still going in there for stock anyway, so I did count them. Plus it made it easier as well. And picked this up in cash converters, £14. This is a Lumi sort of natural light alarm clock and radio as well. I used to have one of these myself, or similar. Basically, as say you set your alarm for 7 o'clock in the morning, sort of 10 minutes to or 5 minutes to, it will slowly get brighter and brighter, so you wake up naturally, supposedly. Lumi is a good brand to look out for in these type of clocks. And for my £14, I should be asking $35.40. So a good markup, could maybe even ask a bit more depending on competition. These are very popular, they tend to sell quick as well. Obviously just got to make sure it's all working, test it out, make it look good. Always try cash converters, especially the second item I'm going to show you. Always worth a look. Pair of telephones, nothing too special really. These are Panasonic, nice set of 3 here. Paid $7.99, so £8. I saw one on its own, the main one with the main base, going for about 20. So a nice matching set of 3. Yeah, should hopefully be 28, 30-ish pounds. Again, just make sure they're working, just double check so there's no returns or anything. And from £8, yeah, nice standard pickup. Couple of bargains again. This is from Age UK. As I was paying for the Timberlands and the Windbreaker, saw these in the cabinet. They're normally priced up, like lenses, especially in one of the shops. They specialise in cameras, you might have seen on the footage, and yeah, they're all marked up. You very rarely find anything. Sometimes you get the odd gem. Asked for them anyway, just to have a look, and turned it around to see the prices. $3.99 each for a Canon camera lenses. We've got a 58mm and a 52mm. This one is 28 to 80mm, like zoom, I guess. And this one is 80 to 200. Looking up the 80 to 200 from $3.99, this should be 40 to 50 pound sale just on its own. £4, amazing, just sitting in the cabinet. That wouldn't have lasted long if I delayed or gone out today maybe. This would have flown off the shelf, which it did because I picked it up. The 28 to 81, again Canon, probably same donor again. This one's a little bit less, this is more 35-40, but still from $3.99, nice and light, nice and small, put in the box. Photography is super popular as always. So yeah, probably bargains of the day. £4 for Canon lenses, 2 of them as well. Nice. This is standard at a boot sale. Dirt Devil, paid £5, RSPCA. Plug it in, turn it on, should be working. These sell all day long for sort of 25-30. And again, depending on competition, maybe 30-35. They do come with accessories and things like a hose and a brush and things, and you can ask a bit more. But from £5, if I see Dirt Devil, I'm always picking it up because it's guaranteed money. Last small electronics. This was going back to the first charity shop that I counted as the 30th, and it counted because I said to Amy, if I go in and I pick something up that wasn't there this morning, then it counts. These weren't there. There was a bag as well, a Samsonite bag, but it was a bit rough, so I left that. So I could have got 2 things, and that's why I go in there twice a day. Got this pair of wireless Sony headphones. I think this was £3. Yeah, £3. Sony, as we know, quality brand. People are selling the headphones on their own for about 15-20, but I've got the wireless receiver, which is very handy. So this should be a nice £30-35 sale. So all that lot on its own, the first table worth would have been an amazing day as it was, but there's 2 more items that are super special that I got on top of this, so let's go get them. And here they are, Just the 2 items, but very, very, very nice items. We've got British Heart Foundation, which I'm surprised I picked this up in, and I probably only picked this up because it was missing a price. This is I'm pretty sure you'll know by the pattern. We've got a Burberry coat. Normally if you see high-end designer things, you're sort of a bit wary in charity shops or boot sales. Obviously it could be fake and things, but I've been checking it out and it is genuine. Got the badge there, it's got the care labels, all looks good. Feels really nice quality, sort of a lighter quilted jacket. Like navy quilted, and then obviously the design and things on the inside. Made in England as well. Does have a tag attached, but there was just no price at all. So I was thinking maybe this is at least £50, and I'm pretty sure there was a coat there for £50 as well. So yeah, took it up, asked what they wanted. I think it was the manager or line manager. She said 25, and I took that straight away. £25 for a genuine Burberry coat, especially a lighter coat, perfect for spring, like we're still in and it's still freezing. So if I can list this as soon as possible, I'm hoping to list this for over £100 easily. Probably 150, 175, maybe that's pushing my luck a bit. Amazing find, a genuine Burberry coat just sitting there on the rail. They hadn't even put a price on it for some reason. So yeah, absolutely amazing. Just couldn't believe my luck. And then probably my favourite item of the day. Not from a charity shop, we're back in Cash Converters, and this is why I say always check them out. Cash Converters, buy trades type shops, always worth going in. Obviously they should be pricing at sort of eBay prices, top end, but sometimes they don't price properly. Same with the Lumi clock. I also picked this up, vintage JVC boombox. It's a beauty. Paid £40 for this. I was umming and ahhing. I thought £40. These can be worth sort of, even if they're working, like 80 to 100, which is still good. Obviously £40, paying up a bit. If it's not working and things, I might sell it for sort of 50 and then I've broken even. But yeah, apparently I get a 6-month guarantee on it, or warranty, and looking it up, similar models have gone for a lot of money. Fully working and things, I could be asking 200 or more for this JVC. Really, really nice item. Just looks the deal, doesn't it? Just looks so cool. Proper 80s, really hefty. Yeah, just super cool. Made in Japan as well, so made in the right place, made well. I just love this sort of stuff. Vintage electronics, older than myself. This is what I've been missing throughout lockdown. Picking up cool stuff like this out in the wild. To bring back, play some of my tapes on, my tester tapes. I think I've got like a Chaz and Dave tester tape. Blur that out, hopefully it's all working nice. Even if the tape's not working, obviously the bands are only made of rubber, they do disintegrate. I can try and change it myself if I can, if they have gone or playing slowly. But even just as a radio, as long as the radio's working, it's got really good sound. People like this sort of authentic 80s stuff just to have on display or in their collection. So £40 from a reselling shop, I'm happy to take that risk. And that is the last item. I'll leave it there, looks pretty. There we go. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the 2 videos, first of many to come. Boot sale, my first one of the year, tomorrow morning, Wednesday. Oh, I can't wait. And it's the boot sale from last year, my midweek one that specialises in stuff like this, sort of antique-y, quirky type things. So yeah, probably one of my favourites I'd like to go to. Hitting that tomorrow morning, like I said, so hopefully a video of that I will be filming will be out hopefully tomorrow or maybe the next day. So if you're not subscribed, if you just come across me, you enjoy this sort of stuff, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that bell so you know as soon as I do go live or as soon as I do release these videos, you'll get notified straight away. Come jump in on the action, see what I'm picking up and things. I'll see you in the field in the next video. See ya.